Having trouble making ChatGPT get what you mean? Let's find out why. Writing clear and concise ChatGPT prompts helps ChatGPT to understand what tone, style, and key messages are needed for your video scripts and produce more accurate and relevant AI scripts. However, if you just start using ChatGPT to write video scripts, it can be a nerve-wracking experience to come up with the right ChatGPT prompts to generate AI scripts that align with your vision and brand. Yet, no worries. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the 3 best ways to write well-crafted ChatGPT prompts to generate compelling video scripts and boost your video editing productivity. But first, let's understand. What is a ChatGPT prompt? And the purpose of using ChatGPT prompts for writing AI video scripts. Simply put, a ChatGPT prompt refers to a series of instructions or questions you use to chat with the ChatGPT AI language model. By providing ChatGPT with personalized prompts, you can control the direction of the conversation and get answers and content ideas from ChatGPT based on your questions. So, the key to generating creative AI video scripts with styles and emotions lies in whether or not you can write accurate and effective ChatGPT prompts that offer contextual guidance for ChatGPT to produce video scripts needed for specific needs. How to write great ChatGPT prompts for a YouTube video script. Though it's easy to use ChatGPT prompts like "write a YouTube video script at any niche" to generate a script, you fail to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT to come up with fresh and creative video ideas and often end up with cheesy or uncontrolled scripts. So, now please walk with me to use clear and concise ChatGPT prompts to generate a riveting YouTube video script from scratch on how to make money on YouTube. Meanwhile, you will get tons of real-world and actionable strategies and customizable ChatGPT prompts templates. Now let's start. 1. Use ChatGPT prompts to generate creative video title ideas. Having an attention-grabbing title for your YouTube video is essential to attract target viewers. So, here are the ChatGPT prompts you can use. Basic prompts. Write me 20 catchy YouTube titles on how to make money on YouTube. Generate 15 creative YouTube title ideas about how to make money on YouTube. Advanced prompts. Now, you are a YouTube influencer/expert in your niche and write 20 attention-grabbing YouTube titles about how to make money on YouTube. Write 18 YouTube titles on how to make money on YouTube with specific and targeted long-tail keywords that also include emotional triggers or power words that appeal to viewers and pain points for a YouTube channel that helps people insert your niche. ChatGPT prompts writing strategies. More is always better than less. Ask ChatGPT to come up with 10 to 20 creative video title ideas. So, you can select the one that fits your style, tone, and niche best. Use role-play strategy to set a specific role for ChatGPT. By doing so, ChatGPT will approach the video title and generate more innovative title ideas for you and meets the needs of target viewers better. Use adjectives like engaging, creative, thought-provoking, original, and inspiring, etc. to set the tone of your YouTube video titles. Often a short and punchy video title that can solve target viewers' pain points works best. 2. Use follow-up ChatGPT prompts to generate video outlines. Now, select an ideal video title and break it down into a workable video outline. You may use the following ChatGPT prompts templates. Basic prompts. Write me an outline for a YouTube video script called "Monetize Your Passion, Turn Your YouTube Channel into a Cash Cow." Give me a creative outline for a YouTube video script called "Monetize Your Passion, Turn Your YouTube Channel into a Cash Cow." Advanced prompts. Give me an outline for a YouTube video script. Topic: Monetize your passion, turn your YouTube channel into a cash cow. Audience: YouTubers with small channels. Format: speech/video voiceovers. Tone: friendly/emotional/humorous/optimistic/confident/authoritative, etc. Goal: coach new YouTubers with small channels to monetize on YouTube and grow bigger. Duration: 10 minutes video. Write me an outline of a YouTube video script imitating YouTube influencer name, style called "Monetize Your Passion, Turn Your YouTube Channel into a Cash Cow." Generate an outline of a YouTube video script called "Monetize Your Passion, Turn Your YouTube Channel into a Cash Cow" from the perspective of a YouTube influencer, YouTube video marketing expert, brand seeking sponsorship, etc. ChatGPT prompts writing strategies. Use keywords like tone, style, target audience, goal, scenarios, and other additional instructional prompts like video duration, etc. to guide ChatGPT to generate video scripts that match your style and needs. If you prefer a YouTube influencer's video script style, you can copy and paste a transcript of this YouTuber's video and tell ChatGPT to emulate this YouTuber's style. So, ChatGPT can write a YouTube video outline similar to the one you like. If none of the video outlines fits your need, you can use prompts. Can you write a script/outline from a different perspective or the perspective of whom? In this way, you can push the boundary of ChatGPT to generate more original video content. 3. Use ChatGPT prompts to write unique hook and intro and make them more engaging and understandable. If you don't want ChatGPT to generate a mediocre hook and intro that begins with, "Hi, there, this is," you can the following prompts. Basic prompts. Please reword the hook and intro to make it more engaging. Optimize the hook and intro of the video to inject a sense of humor into it. Can you begin the intro of the video in a more punchy and compelling way to hook the target viewers? Advanced prompts. Use storytelling to bring it together in an engaging way. Start with a question instead of a standard intro, creating a hook and building out context before jumping into the main content. Please begin the intro by addressing the pain points of target viewers in your niche and tell viewers what they can benefit from viewing this video to grasp viewers' attention. Can you simplify/exemplify/rewrite/shorten the intro of the video to make it easily understandable to normal viewers? ChatGPT prompts writing strategies. If you need to add a personal flair to your video intro and hook and make it not sound robotic, you can add instructions, such as using storytelling, making it easier to understand and more engaging, CTAs, etc. to prompt ChatGPT to adjust the wording. Alternatively, you may use prompts like simplify, shorten, exemplify, reword, etc. to make the AI-generated scripts easily understandable to your target viewers. 4. Use ChatGPT prompts to expand the AI-generated video outline and add value to your YouTube videos. So, once you get the ideal video outline and intro, you may copy and paste parts of the AI-generated video outline and continue to use ChatGPT prompts to dive deep into each outline and provide value and unique insight to viewers. Basic prompts. Continue the script and give me a few paragraphs to discuss the following: brand sponsorships. Continue the script from the last point and give me a few paragraphs to discuss the following: approach brands with a pitch. ChatGPT prompts writing strategies. Again, if the AI-generated scripts sound too complicated or long, you can use prompts. Please simplify, reword, or shorten the part to make it easier to understand. If ChatGPT stops at halfway generating scripts, use the prompt continue to make ChatGPT resume writing. You may also use words like unconventional and think out of the box to encourage ChatGPT to come up with fresh solutions, which adds value to your video content. The last thing you want to do is directly copy and paste AI scripts generated by ChatGPT. Next, you can repeat the same steps to enrich each video outline you are about to cover. 5. Use ChatGPT prompts to wrap up to bring a natural conclusion to your videos. Finally, you may use ChatGPT prompts to have a natural and sweet conclusion to your video and add customized call to actions as well. Basic prompts. Conclude the script from the main points covered and give me a brief paragraph mentioning the following. End with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time. Give me a short and sweet conclusion for the main points covered and add call to action words to encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel or newsletter. ChatGPT prompts writing strategies. For the conclusion of the video script, just make it short and punchy. Do remember to use prompts to add your CTAs to tell viewers what to do next after watching your YouTube video, such as like, comment and subscribe, or visit my website,